have some fun and learn something new. Sammie's gonna show us what to do. We'll do some arts and crafts. Let your imagination soar higher, and we'll figure out what's on the other side of the dryer.
Hey guys, I almost didn't notice you there. Just kidding. I totally knew you were there. I wouldn't open the dryer otherwise. Well, hey, you know what I'm going to do today? I'm going to hang out with my good friend Art. I don't know exactly what we're going to do, but I bet you it's make some art. Hey Art, where are you? Art! Hey Art!
I'm coming, Sammie.
Art!
Hey, Sammie.
Hi Art!
How are you?
I'm doing very well, thanks for asking.
Well, you're very welcome.
What are you working on today?
Today, I'm going to make some t-shirts. Some tie-dye t-shirts.
What's a tie-dye t-shirt?
Well, Sammie, tie-dye is a method of dyeing clothing where one sections off an area of the fabric and applies colorful dye to create an interesting pattern. Kind of like this. Pretty cool, huh? Well, listen, Sammie. The earliest surviving examples of pre-Columbian tie-dye are from Peru and date back to 500 to 800 AD. Other historic forms of tie-dye methods have been found in Asia and Africa.
Cool!
I agree, Sammie. That's pretty neat. Why don't you follow us to the other side of the dryer and I'll explain what materials we need.
Okay! Yay!
Gloves.
T-shirts!
Dye.
And rubber bands! Yeah. Ta-da! Wow, that was a lot of fun. But I think I might have gotten a little carried away.
Far out, man.
Well, bye-bye, y'all. And remember, different is beautiful. See y'all the next time you come to the other side of the dryer. Bye-bye.
See ya.
Bye. Yay. Bye-bye.